Hello guys, I would like to explain about FSD. FSD stands for Functional Specification Document, or we can call it as FDD, Functional Design Document. And FDD in Oracle Fusion is a key implementation document that describes how business requirements are fulfilled in the Oracle applications from a functional perspective. An FDD or FSD translates business requirements into a detailed description of how Oracle Fusion applications like finance, SCM, HCM, PPM, or CRM, etc., are configured or customized to meet those requirements. The main purpose of an FDD is to bridge the gap between business users and technical teams, and it provides a clear blueprint of configurations, customizations, and development. And it also serves as a reference for testing, training, and support. It becomes the main reference document during implementation or development, configuration, testing, UAT support. And who prepares FSD? It is prepared by functional consultant or solution architect or business analyst. For which objects we prepare FSD? It could be any customization or inbound integration or outbound integration or any new report. And functional specification document contains different sections like purpose. It shows what is the purpose of FSD, what is the expectation of it, and we need to explain the business requirement in detail. And assumptions and dependencies. When creating FSD, we need to update the assumptions and dependencies for deploying customization. And current process, how the current process is going on, the existing or manual legacy process. And we have to update to be process. We call it as future process. How the process will work once the customization is deployed. And solution overview. It provides the solution overview, like in case of integration, is it inbound integration or outbound? What is the target system? What is the source system? How the data would flow? And we also update the mappings, how the data should flow from source system to target. The field mappings should be done. In case of reports, we update what are the fields to be required and what are the parameters required when filling the report. And we also mention error handling in case of any issues, how to handle those exceptions or issues, and the test scripts when integration or any customization, uh, when it is deployed, how to test it, which is also updated in the FSD. And open and closed issues. We also update the issues if there are any open issues which needs to be addressed, whom it is pending with, and those details are also updated in the FSD. And finally, appendix, supplementary material attached to the end of the FSD. If there are any additional reports or sample files which helps building the customization, those are also attached under appendix. In summary, a functional design document in Oracle is a detailed document that explains how a business requirement will be implemented functionally in Oracle Fusion applications.